Now let's look at an example of how the process standards affect the readiness and supporting standards. You are looking at a snapshot of the standards for third grade math. The reporting category is listed in the gray area. The green area shows the readiness standards. As you can see, there are 4 readiness standards in third grade math for this reporting category. Remember, these should be the main focus of this reporting category in third grade math. The yellow area shows the supporting standards. These support the readiness standards. And the blue area shows the process standards. These are the student expectations that relate to the skills in the content area. At the bottom of the page, you will see a sample third grade question. Melissa had some money in her purse when she went to the mall with her mother. She spent $5 on a book, then her mother gave her $10. After Melissa spent $2 on a snack, she still had $23 in her purse. How much money did Melissa have in her purse when she first went to the mall? Mark your answer. Now, let's solve the problem. Melissa had an amount of money and she spent $5 of it. That's minus 5. Then she was given $10. That's plus 10. And then she spent $2. That's minus 2. And she ended up with $23. If you work backward to solve the equation, you should get $20. That would be answer choice C. Now look at the list of standards and see if we can determine which readiness standard this question comes from. Click on the standard you think is the one that matches the question. This question comes from Readiness Standard 3.3b. Select addition or subtraction and use the operation to solve problems involving whole numbers through 999. Now look at the process standards. Do you see a process standard that could go with the question? Click on the standard you think is the process standard. You are correct. This question comes from Process Standard 3.14c, Select or Develop an Appropriate Problem-Solving Strategy. Did you choose 3.14c, Select or Develop an Appropriate Problem-Solving Plan or Strategy, including drawing a picture, looking for a pattern, systematic guessing and checking, acting it out, making a table, working a simpler problem, or working backward to solve a problem? Now look at the process standards again. Are there any other process standards that you think might fit this question? You may have identified other process standards. That's okay.